Fresh from my oven. Wow, ang sarap. Perfect. Oh, di ba? Sarap ng ating cookies. Yan. So, ito na yung binake nating cookies. Yan, so yummy. So, try nating tanggalin. Yan. Yan, sarap. Ang sarap. Ang bango. So, yan o. With the chocolate. See? May chocolate siya. Perfect. Sarap. Sarap ng cookies namin. Cookies namin ng alaga ko. So, tignan natin. Gusto ko yung maraming chocolate. So, ito. So, maraming chocolate. Diba? Sarap. Sarap niya, oh. Dami niyang chocolate. Camera. Sarap. Casey is ready.
Come on, guys. Mommy, it was him. Who?
Emma, who are these people?
These are my parents and my stupid sister. I don't know what she's doing. Sister! All right, all
Yummy.
right. I'm coming. And here's my sister, Eliza.
Is this the Emma family?
Yep. This is my dad, Emma's papa. This is my mom, Emma's mama, and my sister, Eliza.
Oh, so your family is crazy!
One more.
You don't get back here right now, Techie.
I am not meeting your psychotic family.
First of all, you need no reason.
So, para mapadali yung paggawa nyo ng cookies, bili na lang kayo ng nakapack na ganito, and then lagyan nyo ng butter, and then i-oven nyo siya. Tapos, yan na! Tran! Sarap! Nakakain ako ng 2. Kaya tumataba ako kasi ang daming pagkain pag nandito yung alaga ko. Yan, nagbe-bake kami. Ang dami pang stock. Bali, 5 yung binili ni Amo. So, na-bake ko na yung 2. Mas masarap kasi yung yung fresh from the oven. So, bili na lang kayo kung may oven kayo. Madali lang naman siya. Madali lang siyang gawin. So, yan. Pagkain namin ngayon, snack namin. So, thank you for watching po. Kain tayo!